Macaroni and cheese ingredients. 8 ounces, 225 grams, macaroni pasta. 2 tablespoons butter. 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour. 2 cups milk. 2 cups shredded cheese, such as cheddar or a mix of cheeses. Salt and pepper to taste. 1/2 cup breadcrumbs, optional. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Grease a baking dish. Cook the macaroni pasta according to the package instructions until al dente. Drain and set aside. In a large saucepan, melt the butter over medium heat. Add the flour and whisk continuously for about 2 minutes to make a roux. Gradually pour in the milk while whisking constantly to prevent lumps. Continue cooking and whisking until the mixture thickens and comes to a simmer. Reduce the heat to low. Add the shredded cheese to the sauce, reserving a small portion for topping. Stir until the cheese melts and the sauce becomes smooth and creamy. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Add the cooked macaroni to the cheese sauce and stir until well coated. Pour the macaroni and cheese mixture into the greased baking dish. If desired, sprinkle breadcrumbs over the top and sprinkle the reserved shredded cheese as well. Bake in the preheated oven for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the cheese is melted, bubbly, and the breadcrumbs turn golden brown. Remove from the oven and let it cool slightly before serving. Macaroni and cheese can be enjoyed as is, or you can customize it by adding toppings like crispy bacon, diced tomatoes, or chopped herbs for additional flavor and texture. Serve this delicious macaroni and cheese as a main dish or as a side to complement your favorite comfort food meals.